What is up, guys, and welcome back to Jezza Yang YouTube channel. And today I've got something really special. Let me show you. Yup, this is the iPad Pro 2020. It's the 11-inch model, space grey. It's the 256 GB one and Wi-Fi. So let's get going. So let's open this. Let's put this to the side real quick. So there's a time to just pull the tab. Oof, smooth. Oh, that's a bit weird, but anyway. Let's put this down there. Ooh, so the iPad Pro. Now, I just need to open it. Let's get this going. It's taking its time. Oh. Pow! Now this is the iPad Pro 2020. So, this feels pretty heavy duty. So let's just put this to the side real quick. And designed by Apple in California. This is the Face ID Control Center tips. So this is some sheets. That's it. So this is the charger. The beautiful charger. It's so shiny. It's nice. So it opens the flick. Pow. Right, so let's put this aside. And there's of course what's it called? A charger. Is that it? That's it. So pretty simple so far. Let's get these chargers down there. So the iPad Pro itself. It feels really nice with the straight edges, and obviously the 2018 model also has straight edges, but you know, nobody cares. It feels nice still. Oh, that's satisfying. That's nice. Okay, no, that's not satisfying. I think I opened it the wrong way. Nobody cares. So this is the iPad Pro itself. It feels really nice in the hand. The camera module at the top, if you can see. Nope. And the camera, the three cameras with the two cameras with the LiDAR sensor, and of course the torch. So yeah, let's just turn this bad boy on. Oh yeah, so there's also what's it called, the speaker module on both sides. So that means that means you've got sound up, down. If you're holding it this way, you've got some at the top on both sides. If you're holding it like this, you've got some at the top on both sides. And yeah, let's turn this thing on. Oh, smooth. Look at that. So in the meantime, while it's booting up, let's get that Apple Pencil. Right, so this is the Apple Pencil. Oh, hello, nice to meet you. Anyway, let's get the Apple Pencil going. So let's peel that off. Hey, static electricity. Ugh, stop it. So let's pull this off. And boom, the Apple Pencil. So it's just an Apple Pencil and the Apple Pencil, and yeah, that's basically it for the outside box. Now how do you open it up? Oh, there's a tab. We pull it out. pretty straightforward. Designed by Apple in California, well, obviously. And there is the Apple Pencil. There is also instructions. Who reads instructions nowadays? Some more. And there's nothing else in there as far as I'm concerned. Beautiful Apple Pencil resting right there. Oof. So now let's just take it out with this tab. Oh, that feels nice. So for the last version, the Apple Pencil, the first Apple Pencil version, there's no straight edge. Like this has a straight flat bit. I don't think you can see, and that just makes it comfortable to hold compared to the last one, which is like it's all round, so it slips out. So anyway, let's peel off the plastic here. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Let's put these to the side. Yeah, that feels nice. Nice. So what about this? This just goes to the side. So the iPad and the Apple Pencil snaps together right here. Oh yeah, that is. Oof. Oh, hello. Hello, nice to meet you. Hola. So I'm English. I'll meet you when the setup's done. So we've got this all set up, and man, the responsiveness is pretty impressive. So the Apple Pencil, it just connects automatically. There's no Apple Pencil version 1 business going on when you have to like connect it. But anyway, so yeah, so let's go into an app. So this has So the Apple Pencil has the pressure and the tilt sensor. So if you go hard, it goes dark. If you go light, it goes lighter. And if you go on the side, it'll make it more like thick, which is what will happen if in real life. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And now going off that, I've added the Apple mouse to the, what's it called? The iPad. So you just go on to Bluetooth, and it'll pretty much just connect automatically like the Apple Pencil. So here it is. This is the Magic Mouse, the newest version. And so now you can use the, what's it called? The Magic Mouse on an iPad. So this is basically a computer. Obviously, if you add a magic keyboard, it's more of a computer. But hey, this is not bad. So the white dot thing is where the mouse is going, and the funny thing is, if you turn, you can like take photos and everything. Hi. And also I took a photo. How do I do this? That photo. Look cool? You know how to do it. So you go into portrait mode. Then you click onto the darkest version. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Then basically you can just do it. Just take any photo, whatever you like. Look at that, was a weird face, but anyway. So yeah, that's pretty sick. Oh, look at that professional photo. Anyway, so look at the LiDAR. Now there's a LiDAR sensor at the back, as you can see, as you already know. So then that means, let's put the mouse here. Let's put a mouse here. So it can detect that the mouse is a. Can you see if it moves a tiny bit? It's just this is an app that comes with the thing called Measure, and you can measure the thing. Now so if you can see, the circle's moving a tiny bit around the surface of the mouse. Now that is precise LiDAR. So let's get out of this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And also I'll show you something also really cool. If you go into anything, let's go into the Chrome. I'm using the Apple Pencil right now. So you can use this for anything, like or my personal favorite, it's just something different about writing on an iPad with a piece of paper. But obviously if you can get a matte screen protector, it'll do the job. Yes. Now let's test the quality of the, test the quality of the sound. Which one should I do? Let's do this one. Short project that I made. If you haven't watched the first video on this project, I'll link it in the description below. So yeah, the audio is pretty good. And now that's pretty much it. And this is the iPad Pro 2020 11-inch with 256 GB storage. You can just put the Apple Pencil on top right there, and you can connect it to a mouse. And and also before that was the unboxing experience, pretty nice. But just taking off the box is like just taking off the lid of the iPad took a million years. But yeah, that's the iPad Pro, and I'll see you next time.